what the school didn't teach us. In today's society, it is widely believed that money is the key to solving most of the world's unfortunate problems. Many people believe that wealth is a means to happiness and satisfaction. While money does provide material comfort and security, we need to challenge this view and acknowledge its limitations. Of course, having enough wealth allows us to enjoy a high-quality life, allowing us to have better food, clothing, housing, and transportation. The material comforts that wealth brings undoubtedly contribute to a certain level of happiness and contentment. Money can also provide a sense of security, meet basic needs such as food, housing, education, and medical care, and reduce anxiety and worry. However, pursuing endless wealth does not guarantee lasting happiness. Research shows that beyond meeting basic needs, increasing wealth has a diminishing impact on happiness. True inner contentment and happiness come from more than just financial prosperity. Additionally, money cannot solve relationship and mental health problems. Although it can provide material comfort, it cannot replace the warmth of family and friendship, nor can it solve problems such as anxiety and depression. These areas require more in-depth attention and treatment. The bottom line is that money alone does not bring about the fulfillment of meaning and purpose. True happiness comes from pursuing meaning and purpose in life, involving personal growth, career development, deepening relationships, and contributing to society. While money can go some way to solving some aspects of unhappiness, it is not a panacea. We must realize that this is not the only measure of happiness. Rather, a balanced and holistic approach that considers material, spiritual, interpersonal, and meaningful aspects is crucial. Money cannot buy all happiness, but it gives us the power to make life better for ourselves and our families. Financial independence not only means being able to choose your own path, it also emphasizes the indispensability of money in coping with life's challenges. Money cannot buy all happiness, but it can be the bridge to realizing your dreams and pursuing a better life. Although money cannot bring inner satisfaction and the true meaning of life, it can provide freedom of choice, create a more comfortable living environment, and realize more opportunities. While pursuing wealth, we should also maintain a balance in life and value interpersonal relationships, spirituality, and the meaning of life. Money may not be the ultimate goal, but it can be a tool to realize our dreams and allow us to travel to a better side. The value of money goes beyond being a mere medium of exchange, opening the door for us to explore the world, pursue personal interests, and create a comfortable life. Opportunities to travel allow us to understand different cultures and expand our horizons. Pursuing personal interests enriches our lives and brings fun and meaning to our daily lives. At the same time, money is also an important tool to create a comfortable life, providing high-quality housing, convenient transportation, and delicious food. While money is not a panacea and cannot solve all problems, it is indeed the foundation for a fulfilling life. This foundation not only provides us with material satisfaction, but also gives us more choices and freedom. While pursuing wealth, we can better realize our dreams and live a richer and more fulfilling life. Therefore, money plays an integral role in our lives and is one of the keys to achieving personal and family goals. Working hard to earn money is not only to meet current living expenses, but also to achieve the goal of financial independence. This independence gives individuals greater freedom to make their own life and career choices. Financial soundness not only provides security, but also inspires individuals to pursue higher goals and dreams. This process of hard work is not only for immediate satisfaction, but also to establish a solid foundation to make future choices freer and more powerful. Money, although not the only source of happiness, is like a strong bridge that connects us to the possibilities of a beautiful life on the other side. This bridge is not limited to material enjoyment, but also carries the expectation of realizing dreams and pursuing a higher quality of life. It is the path to satisfaction, freedom, and choice, providing individuals with the means to explore the unknown and realize their ideals. This bridge of money is erected across the river of our lives, allowing us to cross the challenges of the past and reach the unknown beauty. It not only provides material support, but also gives us the motivation to overcome difficulties and achieve our goals. Such bridges allow us to more freely explore the diversity of life, enjoy various opportunities, and find our own path to happiness on the journey to realize our personal dreams. Although money is only one of the means to achieve happiness, the existence of this bridge does open up a broader horizon for us. The value of money is not only reflected in the material level, but also in the diversity and richness of life. Therefore, this bridge of money is the fulcrum for us to realize our dreams and pursue happiness, adding infinite possibilities to the journey of life.